Hi everyone, this is Sunshine Annie. Welcome to my vlog. I am working on my DIY composition book planner. This was the last week and the weeks before. And this was the start of October. So this last week I just put in washi tape. I was going to leave an outside edge, and I decided that I wasn't so sure about it. I wanted to leave some room for writing, and it just gave me extra time for writing. I actually put in some stuff for my habits of mind. Some things that were supposed to happen didn't happen. Some things I didn't know that was going to happen. So we ended up going out for my husband's birthday. My son took us out to dinner on Tuesday. And I was supposed to go out with some high school friends on Friday, but one of my friends ended up getting sick, so we postponed it. Anyway, so starting next week, I decided to do the center as one whole piece because October, next week, October 22nd to the 28th, it's going to leave me with a short week for October 29th through the 31st. So I decided that I would just do this middle spread with... I drew a old tree, put some ghosts, an owl, a crow, some pumpkins, black cat, as we're coming into October. Into Halloween or Samhain, whichever you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate at all. Anyway, I may end up carrying some of the drawing here, or I may use this just to write an end part of the month, and that will leave me a fresh start for November, so I have my November page. So anyway, this week, this is what we're looking at. I'll bring that down just a little bit. There you go. Sorry if that's shaking. So for this week, if I'm prepping for this week, I did all of the work for it already. I put in the washi tape, the thinnest ones I had. I did the drawing ahead of time. And just for prepping, I know I'm going to have some visitors coming over for Sunday dinner. So we'll be having a family Sunday dinner. Don't have any real plans. Our usual early release. Friday, we're supposed to we've rescheduled our get-together with my high school friends. And then Saturday, of course, is my cleaning day. Or should I say deep cleaning? I guess we all do a little bit of cleaning during the week. And for my posts at the bottom, sometimes I put notes. Sometimes I say it's goals. So I'm going to put in goals this time. And as usual, my goals are always to make healthy choices. To drink more water. And to be more active. And I'm also do a little boop. Focus on a healthy mindset. And I'm also going to add in a positive attitude. And that just helps remind me of what I'm looking forward to. So this one's a short one. I'm just working on this, trying to get things ready. Next week is going to be Halloween, so I will have the 29th, the 30th, and 31st for that one. I was going to try to combine them, but yeah, I had to try to film when it was quiet at my house because things just were really loud today here. I did get a bunch of cleaning done, but yeah. So this is what we're looking at for this next week for planning. And this was what I did last week for this page. I did pumpkins. I did a little pumpkin patch picture that I drew, miniature, and just wrote in everything that I had hoped for the week. Okay, that's what I have for you this week. Hopefully, I do want to thank everyone who's joined. I'm really overwhelmed that I've had so many people join recently, and I really appreciate that. Please, if you know anyone, that you think would be interested in this kind of content, if you have other things that you'd like to see me do, I do junk journaling, and I do have an art journal that I work in, that is a composition book, and I am going to make a video vlog of that, to show, just a flip through of what I've done in that recently. I was hoping to finish it for the end of the year so I would have one composition book junk journal done. But anyway, I hope you have a great week. I hope it's filled with many blessings and many joys, and that your troubles are few. Have a great week. Thank you.